The GSE Composite Index has seen a year-to-date appreciation of 56.7%, while the GSE Financial Stock Index is up 53%. Let's now hear more about how that market is trading from Derek Atari-Mensah, Senior Analyst at African Island Securities. Derek, thank you so much for joining us. So the market has done pretty well in the first half, and I think it's fairly stable in the first 2 days of this year. Where do you see it going from here, though?
Well, the market, as you rightly put it, has done considerably well in the first half of 2013. And as the market continues to go, in the second half of 2013, we are expecting some level of profit taking in some liquid stocks. Namely, we are talking about GCB, Cal Bank, and the rest, the stocks that have rallied significantly this year. And we are expecting some profit taking in there. But largely, the performance for the next half, or at least the next quarter, will be largely dependent on the first half results that is due any time from now.
Right.
Depending on the level of earnings growth or the performance, that will be able to give us some indication into if this trend is going to be sustainable or the profit taking will be intensified.
Right. If we look at the revised CPI numbers, well over 11%, one gets the sense that there could be more tightening ahead. So the interest rate environment should be pretty favorable for those who do not want to take too much risk. Do you think this could dampen the growth of the market in the second half?
Well, yes, I'm looking at how the inflation rate and the reconstitution of the basket, considering that inflation has gone up from 10.9 to 11.1. Yes, there's some tightening monetary policy that we are expected to see. But you have to realize that interest rates have been significantly high from last year, from the half year from last year, and yet there's still appetite for risky assets that's on the stock market.
Right.
So we don't think that is going to dampen too much of the prospects on the stock market. However, that's also a concern. We think maybe it will influence some portfolio investors moving away or diversifying the risk away from the stock market, but largely I don't think it's going to impact so significantly on the stock market.
Well, we'll